In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add people in Zoho Books. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho Books organization and you are on the main dashboard or any screen inside the app. Adding people is done through the account settings, so you will want to look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a settings option there. Go ahead and click Settings. Once you are in Settings, you will see a list of sections for different parts of Zoho Books. Take a moment to look for the area called User Management. This is where Zoho Books keeps anything related to team access, permissions, and security. Under User Management, select Users and Roles. This opens the page where you can view the users who already have access, along with the roles that control what each person can see and do. Now you are ready to invite someone new. On the Users and Roles page, find the button that says Invite User with a plus sign next to it. Click Invite User to open the invitation form. In the form, you will enter the person's name and their email address. Use an email address that the person can access, because Zoho Books will send the invitation there. Next, choose a role for the user. Roles define permissions, so this choice matters. For example, an admin role typically has broad access to settings and financial features, while a staff role often has more limited access focused on day-to-day tasks. Select the role that matches what you want this person to handle in Zoho Books. If you are unsure, it is generally safer to start with a more limited role and adjust later if needed. After you have confirmed the name, email address, and role are correct, click Send. Zoho Books will email an invitation to the user, and they will need to accept it to activate their access. That covers everything you need to know.